Have you ever wondered what separates the ultra-successful from everyone else? It's not always about inheritance or luck. In fact, a staggering 80% of millionaires are self-made. They didn't win the lottery. They built their wealth through discipline, strategy, and most importantly, their daily habits. Today, we're unlocking the vault. These are the 7 habits of self-made millionaires that you can start implementing right now to pave your own path to financial freedom. Habit 1. First up, the habit of reading. Self-made millionaires are voracious readers. We're not talking about fiction novels, but books that foster growth, biographies of successful people, self-help, health, and leadership. 85% of them read 2 or more books a month. Why? Because they understand that the more you learn, the more you earn. It's the ultimate investment in yourself. Habit 2. The second habit is goal setting. But not just any goals. Millionaires set big, audacious goals. They shoot for the moon. They don't just say, I want to save more money. They say, I will have a net worth of $1 million by the time I'm 40. This creates a powerful mental framework that pushes them beyond their comfort zone and forces them to think bigger. Habit number 3, multiple streams of income. Self-made millionaires rarely rely on a single source of income. Most have at least 3. This could be a side hustle, a business, rental income, or investments. They create their own path and opportunities, understanding that true financial security comes from not putting all your eggs in one basket. Habit 4. The fourth habit might surprise you. They prioritize their health. Success isn't just about money. It's about having the energy and longevity to enjoy it. Self-made millionaires exercise regularly, eat healthy, and get enough sleep. They treat their body like the asset it is, because they know that peak performance in business requires peak physical and mental health. Habit number 5. They seek out mentors. 93% of self-made millionaires attribute their wealth to having mentors. A good mentor has walked the path before you. They can provide invaluable guidance, help you avoid costly mistakes, and open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learn from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Habit 6. The sixth habit is being frugal. This doesn't mean being cheap. It means being smart with your money. You won't see most self-made millionaires splurging on trendy items or luxury cars they can't afford. They invest their money in assets that will generate returns, not in things that depreciate the moment you buy them. They understand that financial stability is more valuable than displaying wealth. Habit 7. Finally, habit number 7. They become a master of their craft. Whether it's sales, coding, marketing, or communication, millionaires dedicate themselves to becoming the best in their field. They practice diligently and never stop learning. By becoming a master, you become indispensable and your value skyrockets. In the end, your habits will make you. Outro. So there you have it. 7 powerful habits that can transform your financial life. Start small, pick one habit, and integrate it into your daily routine. Then add another. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. It's the small, consistent actions that build extraordinary results. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into building a life of success and purpose. Start building your future today.